access to a pension through your employer. And what a pension basically is a guarantee from your employer to pay you a certain amount of monthly income when you retire for the rest of your life. So that's terrific. I mean, it's hard to save enough money on your own for retirement, but this type of employer benefit, it really can help you meet your retirement goals. So how does it work? Basically, based on the number of years that you've worked there, your age, your salary, a whole bunch of different things, your employer is determining what benefit you're going to get. So let me give you an example. Let's say I make $50,000 a year from my job and I'm getting ready to retire. But I've been there a long time, and my employer, based on their pension agreement, has said, you know what, we're going to pay you a pension when you retire. We're going to pay you $20,000 a year for the rest of your life. So certainly it's not what I was making, but it's a big component of my retirement income when compared with my own savings and maybe some money from Social Security that can help me live at the standard of living I'm used to in retirement. Now, there's two big decisions that most people have to make with a pension. Number one, you have to decide, when are you going to start collecting it? Sometimes there's a range of ages where you're eligible to collect a pension. And if you collect it early, that's good because you're getting the money sooner, but you're usually getting a smaller benefit amount. And that's not going to change. The other decision you have to make is what type of pension option you want to choose. If I'm getting $20,000 a year in a pension for the rest of my life, what happens if I pass away 2 weeks after I retire? Is all of that money wasted? Can any of that money go to my wife, my children, or other beneficiaries? So sometimes there are a variety of pension options that you can choose from, with fancy sounding names like 50% or 75% or 100% survivor options. And all that really means is you're making a decision. Do I want more money today for income and I leave less to somebody else? Or am I willing to take a little less income to provide some protection for family members or other beneficiaries? Keep in mind, most pensions have gone away for a lot of employees during tough economic times for companies and government organizations. But if you still have a pension, you want to really make sure you evaluate where that falls into your overall retirement plan, and that you make those decisions I talked about in a way that makes the most amount of sense for your situation.